Hello investors, this is a presentation on Inox Wind. This video is brought to you by SmartInvestor. Subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon for latest notifications. The company is part of strong Inox group which has presence in different fields. It has got Inox Air products, Inox CVA, Inox Wind, Inox Live and Movies, IW Limited, GFL Limited. It is promoted by Gujarat Fluorochemicals, a leading player in chemical. It has business verticals include fluoropolymers and PTFE, largest PTFE player in India. Inox Wind is a fully integrated player in the wind energy market. Inox is one of the largest multiple chains in India. Inox Wind Energy is a holding company of GFL Limited. GFL Limited is a holding company of Inox Leisure Limited. The group structures and business overview. Inox Wind has 98.41% in Inox Wind Infrastructure Services, Resco Global Wind Services. It has got manufacturing facility, it has infrastructure including EPC and OEM. The company's wind sector is gaining strength with large installations happening. Wind power auctions are happening with a rapid pace. The company's FY22 makes a strong revival of wind auctions. The company sees significant market opportunities for Inox Wind Limited. Major thrust in renewable sector, India has announced a renewable energy target of 175 gigawatts by 2022 and a target of 450 gigawatts by 2030. Leading Indian companies like Reliance Industries, NTPC, Adani, JSW among others have announced ambitious plans for setting up renewable energy capacity over the next few years. The cumulatively announced growth are in excess of 200 gigawatt. Hybrid tenders are increasingly gaining traction, wherein the minimum wind capacity will be 33% of the contracted capacity. Bids for 3,960 megawatt of hybrid auctions have been awarded by SECI in the last 3 years. It has recently awarded two tenders for 1,200 megawatt and hybrid for 1,200 megawatt. RTC tender for 5,000 megawatt is under process. The sector is witnessing active participation by multiple existing players as well as seeing entry of new players like JSW, Ayana and creation of new renewable energy platform of investors backed by private equity and pension funds like KKR, Edelweiss, Secura and CPPIB. Inox Wind Limited has a very strong order book, has Adani 50 megawatt, Inox 250 megawatt, Inox 250 megawatt and 50 megawatt in SE2. SE3 it has got 200 megawatt, SECI 4 it has 100 megawatt. Maharashtra State Auction has 50 megawatt. The total order book Inox Wind has is 950 megawatt. This is a capacity auction based order book of 950, others 104 and net order book includes 600. It has got LOIs for 3.3 megawatts from Adani and agreement signed with leading MNC for 3.3 megawatt. It has got order continuum at 250 megawatt, supplied 98. Net order book is 152 megawatt. Total of A, B and CD includes 1,276 megawatt. Above order book will translate into revenue of 7,500 crores in the next 2 years. Manufacturing capacity of the company includes nacelles and hubs of 1,100 at Una, Himachal Pradesh. The blades manufacturing capacity is at Rohika and Barwani, Madhya Pradesh, total capacity of 1,600 units. The towers with the manufacturing capacity of Rohika at 300 and Barwani, Madhya Pradesh at 300, total capacity of 600 towers. The company is well positioned to take advantage of the growing market. Potential to debottleneck our nacelle and tower capacity with minor capex. Tower capacity can also be outsourced depending on project location. Manufacturing operations have been fully established at the newly set up plant at Bhuj, Gujarat and are in full swing. The company has seen O&M business a consistent growth driver with high cash flows. It already established a strong business model, established business 8 years of operating history, a revenue growth of 14% CAGR between FY 17 and 21. Long-term agreements are in place with full revenue visibility with inbuilt fixed escalations in contracts. The company has a diversified portfolio base and a strong creditworthy counterparty. A strong order book to drive O&M growth. It has potential to acquire O&M portfolios from wind OEMs. Experienced team with visibility for future growth. Company has 390 plus employees with average experience of more than 10 years in O&M business. Market leadership position of Inox Wind and O&M business will grow further in the coming years. A platform can be soon aggregate capacity setting up of WTGs from other wind OEMs. The O&M presence in wind resource rich states in India include Rajasthan 330 megawatts, Gujarat 1042 megawatts, Maharashtra 210 megawatts, Karnataka 98 megawatts, Kerala has 16 megawatts, Madhya Pradesh has 372 megawatts, Andhra Pradesh has 68 megawatt and Tamil Nadu has 6 megawatt. The company and the wind energy is likely to grow at a very attractive rate. The company has entered into contracts with leading players in Indian wind sector. The company works with Tata Power, NHPC, Renew, Adani Power, Consortium, CESC, GFL, SVNL, GMDC, NTPC, Malpani Group and All India Group are the premier customers of the company. The scrip has given a jump of 90% from around 65 levels. The scrip has recently crossed 140, currently trading at 120 levels. In the last 6 months, the scrip has given 8% return, a jump of 9 rupees. In the last 1 month, the scrip has traded flat and has retained at 0% growth. We expect the scrip to do well in the coming years due to high demand for wind energy and renewable energy. With leading companies like Reliance and Adani stepping into this field, we see a significant growth in the company's operations and profitability. Investors should consider buying the shares around current level and hold for long term. Thank you for watching this video and supporting us.